Okay, the yogic and Ayurvedic concept of semen is key. You can channelize it and create it into a different kind of energy in your body. But is the biology behind this concept that your actual semen liquid, does it get absorbed by the cell walls or something? Like, what do you think? Do you have any knowledge about this?
Yeah, so there was this research done by like 3 scientists, and just wanted to see like what semen constitutes. They found that 90% of it was water and 10% of it was nutrients, and those were the nutrients which included most of the minerals, cholesterol, and other minerals which are foods for the brain.
Like, matlab, it's basically like you're putting petrol into your brain.
Yes, it's like it moves, like according to, I'm not sure how much forward modern science has gone into it, but Ayurveda is very clear about the fact that it moves upwards and nourishes your cells, brain, and the overall body.
Yeah. In fact, even in YSS, there are certain kinds of pranayams, breathing exercises through which you can actually change the flow of semen. So I've learned a pranayam like this. We're not allowed to talk about this kind of pranayam on a public platform, but there are actually techniques in yoga which allow you to change the direction of semen's flow. That's how I actually got into this whole nofap movement, because even I used to be one of those guys who used to say that नहीं नहीं क्या है ये कैसे हो सकता है, मतलब ये सबके साथ
स्टार्टिंग में
होता है.
यही होता है. I mean it's very much
नॉर्मलाइज्ड,
natural,
क्योंकि हमें बोला जाता है कि यार नहीं, मैस्टरबेशन तो सब लोग करते हैं, नॉर्मल है. Like there's no guy watching this, hearing this, who's not masturbated.
Absolutely.
So it's become that normally a lot because of Western culture. But Western culture talks about many things like which may not be correct for you. For example, something like being polyamorous, having multiple sexual partners, things like that. So you can't just say कि हाँ American लोग बोल रहे हैं तो सही रहेगा. It might be correct. It doesn't work like that, I feel. And again, what you said about Ayurveda talking about things, but Western science is not. Western sciences is going to discover 20 million things in the next 20 years about Ayurveda.
Absolutely, they are going ahead with this. And according to modern science as well, sure, they say that masturbation is very much normal, like we are biological beings, so it's natural urges which come due to hormonal changes after a certain age. But even they warn on excessive masturbation because you're getting into a loop and you are like, your whole life is revolving around masturbation. Like sometimes I get messages, people telling me that we are masturbating 5 to 6 times every day. So we have to understand like how much time they are wasting on this. Because it's not just that you have masturbated, like before that you might have watched something. So every time like your whole productivity is going on into that only. And then there have been certain side effects of modern science talks about certain side effects, like there is a loss of real sexual sensitivity in women especially.
Yeah, basically, so I think I've read about this. It's that if women masturbate often, like very often, like every day, it's difficult for them to orgasm in actual sexual intercourse.
Right. That's what I'm
So the whole sex life for both the sexual partners becomes a little difficult, because for a lot of guys who are having sex for guys a lot of times is about pleasuring the girl. A lot of guys think like that, ki first I want to pleasure the girl. But if the girl herself is not like orgasming, then it kind of, affects the guy's sexual life also badly. In saying that, it works in the reverse way also, where because of masturbating, you get very used to your hand on like a penis. So when you actually go through sex, it feels very different from having that hand on your penis always. So a lot of guys, and I know this from engineering college, a lot of my friends, they could last for very long in bed, like as in they could like be having sex for very long, but they never ejaculated because they were so used to masturbating. And after having intercourse, then they would go and like masturbate, which is like you're kind of spoiling the vibe for your partner also.
Actually, that's true. Like when you masturbate like excessively, too much, like almost every day you're doing it 3-4 times, then you do not enjoy the real sex. Actually, if you are getting addicted to anything, if that thing is becoming, your life is revolving around masturbation, then you are in a mess, I guess.
Yeah, 100%.